Hey everybody, I'm Evan. I'm with Solved. We help businesses automate using Salesforce's Agentforce platform. Today we're diving into Data Cloud and how Data Cloud increases data quality so that you have success in your Agentforce operations. A lot of people don't know why data quality might be important for agents, Salesforce, Agentforce agents that run well. And then some people know how the quality enhances agents, but feel like their data is too spread out or too messy to be able to really take advantage of AI. And then a lot of folks don't know what Data Cloud can do in terms of increasing your data quality. So one of the biggest reasons last year that companies were slow to implement AI was because they want to get their data right, recognize that's important. And anybody that's worked with a lot of data knows that that can be really hard. So Data Cloud makes it as easy as possible. Dive into exactly how. So not going to get too in the weeds, nitty gritty with Data Cloud. Got other videos that go in much more detail, but the high level is this is a place where you can connect all the sources of data in your business and bring them all together under one umbrella. And then we're going to focus on the harmonize and unify steps of the Data Cloud pipeline today. So first of all, two tools really that we want to focus on: data transforms and identity resolution. So diving into data transforms, once the data is in Data Cloud, you've connected all your systems, you brought the data in, data transforms take over to bring your data into a state where it's now useful, not only for AI agents, but also for reporting, marketing purposes. All that data is structured however it was structured in the data source. So we bring it in, and then these data transforms make it so it's all structured the same way. And you have all the data that you need for your whole organization kind of in one unified data model. So there are lots of different types of transformation actions that you can take. There's conditional logic where you can have sort of branches, and then you can, filter, edit the columns, even do some data cleaning if you need a little bit. There's common mistakes that can be changed in a pipeline. You can have some cleaning operations. And the goal is that at the end of data transformation, all your data comes in a form where now it's nice and good quality, well organized, ready to be used by AI agents. One other problem, though, is since you have all of these different sources, you might have your CRM, might have an app where users have signed up and taken certain actions. And then if you have like online stores or support systems, there may be a John Doe in each of those systems that's the same person. But if you just bring all that together, it looks like it's multiple different people. So identity resolution is going to bring all of those different John Does, different instances of the same customer that you have, and bring them into one record so that you can see all the cases they've opened, the things they've clicked on your website. All of that lives under sort of one umbrella. So that way, when the agents are, maybe John Doe opens a support case, your agent needs to know what products have they bought, wants to know as much about this person so they can help them as effectively as possible. That identity resolution is going to make it so the agent has just a full view of the customer and knows everything that you know about them from all your different data sources. So those are the two primary ways that Data Cloud is going to help increase data quality. There are other platforms that do this. You can find data lakehouses and customer data platforms that will help organize and clean your data, as well as do identity transformation, but none of them have an agent layer built right on top that's ready to, once the data is there, to start using it and be effective. So that's what Agentforce is to Data Cloud. It's purpose built to use the data that you're going to store in Data Cloud to start being effective immediately. So that's the difference between an agent that's going to, if somebody reaches out to a case and you have a chat bot or they're interacting with an AI, a chat bot that's going to treat them like just a generic answer, really generically, and really like it's an LLM, but if it doesn't know anything about the person that it's working with or about your business, it's only going to be so useful. It's like the customer may as well have just like type their question into ChatGPT. But once you have your data organized in one place, and now the agents are able to access that data, they know who this customer is that's reaching out, and they know how to support them best. So huge, and it's a major pillar of getting an AI implementation right. It's getting your data right. So if you have more questions, feel free to visit solve.cloud. feel free to book a free consultation with us. Something that a lot of people don't know is that Data Cloud and AI credits, there's a lot of them that you have access to for free if you have Salesforce Enterprise. So you can start playing around with this right now, bringing data in, identifying maybe small use cases and spinning up a POC. And again, if you want help with that, more than happy to help. And be sure to check out our other videos. And it does help us, of course, if you like and subscribe. So thanks, everybody. Have a good one.